This video is the second part of the creation of a curtain wall easily through ELVIAL Pro. The previous video covered the basic functions required for curtain wall configuration. This video demonstrates some additional features. After entering the desired dimensions and specifying the technical properties of the structure, we see that the required profile length for the mullions exceeds the standard manufactured bar length. Therefore, they must be divided into two separate sections. This procedure is executed using the mullion splices function. First, we select the reference point, point 0. Here, there is an option for automatic splice of the external profiles. Next, we select the available splicing accessories from the material packages and define the desired dimension for each individual profile. Regarding the connections, there is an option to adjust the gap. Now we will maintain the default setting, System Gap. In the position view, the splice for mullions we filled in for the three different dimensions is shown. For this position, the mullion needs to exceed the total height by 100 millimeters. Therefore, we select the Profile Extensions function. Through this option, we can specify extensions on both the external and internal sides of the profiles, as well as on the upper or lower sides of the curtain wall. We will now enter 50 millimeters for the upper side and 50 millimeters for the lower side. Additionally, for this position, we must add a double leaf entrance door and two projected windows. You can add an insertion using this option. Initially, we will add the entrance door. We select the door insertion and then the desired field. We then select the desired system configuration for the entrance. Furthermore, we ensure that the bottom transom is removed, as it is unnecessary in this case. This list displays all available connection profiles of this system with the curtain wall. The article numbers included in the Special Profiles category are appropriate for the glazing thickness we specified in the previous steps. Consequently, we select the desired profile exclusively from this specific category. Next, we specify the gap between the add-on profile and the curtain wall profiles. The correctness of this value can be verified directly and via ELVIAL Pro Integrated CAD. Upon completing the configuration of the entrance, we proceed to create the projected window. To create the second projected window, we can use the Copy Insertion function. First, we select the insertion we wish to copy, and then we select the field where the duplicated insertion is to be added. Upon completion of the position, the software provides the capability to independently display the insertions. This configuration is executed via the Settings menu by selecting Project View. Next, we activate the parameter Insertions Separately. The position is divided into the curtain wall without the insertions and the 3 insertions as independent elements. Thank you for watching this video.